Good morning, Aisha. I hope you slept well. Mornings can be a bit rushed, but I always try to start my day on a positive note. How are you feeling today as you get ready for school?
Good morning, Omar. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Sometimes it's hard to get up early, but I managed. Did you wake up early today or hit the snooze button a few times?
I actually woke up at 6 o'clock this morning, took a quick shower, and had my breakfast all before anyone else in the house was awake. I feel it gives me a good start to the day. How about you? What time did you get up?
I woke up at 7, which is a little later than usual, so I felt a bit sleepy. For breakfast, I had eggs and bread to keep me energized. What did you choose for your breakfast this morning?
I went with my favorite, a bowl of cereal with milk. It's a simple meal, but I never get tired of it. There's just something comforting about starting the day the same way. Do you usually change up your breakfast or stick to the same foods?
I like to switch things up sometimes, but eggs and bread are my go-to when I need something quick. It's nice to have a routine in the mornings, especially when school days are busy.
On school days, the way we get to school can really affect our mornings. I usually walk to school with my brother, which takes about 15 minutes. How do you get to school, Aisha? Do you walk, bike, or take another form of transportation?
I actually take the school bus most days. It's convenient, but sometimes the bus comes late, which can make me a little anxious about being on time. Do you enjoy your walk, or do you wish you could take the bus instead?
I enjoy walking because it gives me a chance to wake up fully and talk with my brother. Plus, it's good exercise. But I do wonder what listening to music on the bus would be like. Do you listen to anything in particular during your ride?
Yes, I usually listen to music on my phone while riding the bus. It helps me relax and makes the trip go by faster. Sometimes I choose English songs to practice my listening skills, which is both fun and helpful for my language learning.
That sounds like a great way to start your day. Sometimes I listen to music too while walking, especially on rainy days when the walk feels longer. Do your friends ride the same bus? Or do you travel alone most mornings?
I usually have a few friends on the bus, and we chat or share songs. It's a nice way to connect before classes start. Even though the bus can be unpredictable, having friends there makes it more enjoyable.
School breaks are my favorite part of the day because I get to relax and eat with friends. Aisha, would you like to eat together during break today? I brought some snacks from home.
That sounds great. I have a sandwich and some juice packed for break. What did you bring for your snack today, Omar?
I have an apple and a small bag of chips. It's a simple lunch, but I look forward to it. Speaking of school, did you enjoy today's English lesson? I thought it was really interesting.
Yes, I liked it a lot. We learned several new words, and I found it both challenging and fun. My favorite word from the lesson was beautiful. The way it sounds makes me want to use it more in sentences. Did you have a word that stood out to you?
I like the word excited. It has a positive energy, and honestly, I'm feeling excited today. Learning new vocabulary always motivates me to try harder in class. Do you practice these new words at home as well?
Definitely. I try to use them in sentences when I talk to my family or write in my journal. It helps me remember them better, and I think it's a good habit for improving my English skills.
After a long day at school, I usually head straight home because I feel pretty tired. Do you go home right away, Aisha, or do you have other plans after school?
Most days I go home, but sometimes I need to stop by the market with my mom. I help her carry the shopping bags, which can be tiring but also feels helpful. What do you do in the evenings after you get home, Omar?
Once I'm home, I start with my homework. After that, I like to play video games or watch cartoons to relax. Balancing schoolwork and fun is important to me. How do you spend your evenings after finishing your homework?
I usually read books or draw pictures after I'm done with my assignments. Drawing helps me unwind, and sometimes I share my sketches with my family. It's a nice way to end the day before getting ready for bed.
That's really creative. Speaking of homework, Do you ever find certain subjects more challenging? I sometimes struggle with math and have to spend extra time on it.
Math can be tough for me too, but I try to take it slow and ask for help if I need it. My family often encourages me, and that makes a big difference in staying motivated.